Imagine drowning in your uncertainties until you discover a lifeline you had no idea existed. That's my story, which begins with a single unexpected experience. Good morning, everyone. My name is Sebastian Vincent Alcohotan. I am 15 years old and I was born on March 21, 2009. I'm a 10th grader at Kids World Christian Academy and I have the two most wonderful, caring, and lovely parents, Chris Leonard and Mary May Alcohotan. My objective today is to share how my spiritual journey changed and has changed my life, in the hopes that it will inspire you to seek your path of purpose and enthusiasm. Through my narrative, I hope to demonstrate that no matter where you are, there is always an opportunity to discover a deeper connection with God and a new direction in your life. I became a Christian because of the influence of my parents. Since I was a child, they always brought me here every Sunday. And I dedicated and I was baptized here. Second, in my school's teaching during grade school, I kind of understood the Word of God through Jesus' parables and Bible character stories. And we are required to memorize a Bible verse every week. I'm glad na naging pangalawang bahay ko ng TLOC and naging part ng praise and worship team. Ever since I was a kid, I always dreamt of becoming a church drummer like Kuya Nico. It keeps me inspired, grounded, humble, and happy to serve the Lord through the talent He has given me. Not only here in the church, but also in our school. I am also part of the school's daily worship team. That's why in my little way, I inspired other students to become drummers and to use the God-given talent for His glory. And third, the pastor builds message every Sunday. One of the major experiences na nagpamigay sa aking pananampalataya was during ang kasagsagan ng COVID-19. Dahil ako po ay nagkaroon ng COVID during the peak of COVID-19 cases. At sobrang natakot po ko that time. Nakasabay ko sa pressure ng madaming assignment at activities na pinapagawa because I was graduating in grade 6 at that time. I was thinking during that time kung kaya ko bang tapusin at ipagsabay lahat at the same time, and may sakit pa ako na hindi ko pwede sabihin at ipaalam sa mga teachers at classmates ko. But I never doubted God, and I trusted that He could make a big difference. He gave me strength, knowledge, wisdom, and most especially, complete healing. That's why He became my number one lifeline. And I hold on to His promises in Joshua 9, be strong and courageous, do not be frightened and do not be dismayed. For the Lord your God is with you wherever you go. And Philippians 4:13, ang paborito natin lahat, I can do all things through Christ who gives me strength. At sa aking pagtatapos, gusto ko lang po pasalamatan ang lahat ng taong naging bahagi ng aking journey sa TLOC at sa ating mga youth. Magpatuloy lang tayo sa ating mga mabubuting ginagawa at patuloy natin gamitin ang binigay niya ng talento para sa kanyang kapurihan at kadakilaan. And we should give time to study His Word, always be prayerful in whatever situations, and always attend church activities, because it will help us to mold our action character and to grow deeper in spiritual lives. At lagi natin tandaan na ang kanyang presence sa ating buhay ay lagi nariyan, ano man ang dumating na pagsubok, hindi niya tayo iiwan at pababayaan. We should always inspire other youth to have a deeper relationship with God and be a good example so that we can be an inspiration to others. God bless us all and thank you for this.